Hi, I'm AC Lockyer, the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. Let me tell you about our revolutionary soft washing sanitation equipment that we have here. This is our blend module, and our blend module blends together from 3 different sources. Number 1, a CDC recommended sanitation product, sodium hypochlorite. Number 2, our surfactants that we have here at SoftWash Systems. And number 3, water. All 3 of those we take and we blend together to create our sanitation solution, our soft washing solution that we're going to treat your property with. They're all deployed back here through our hose reels on the back of this sanitation truck. This right here is the soft washing solution that goes out. This is our rinsing hose reel. We also have on our trucks power washing machines and pure water rinsing machines. But this is what I really want to point out to y'all. On all of our sanitation trucks, all of our products are 12-volt powered. How do we make that happen? We recollect the kinetic energy that this truck is making anyhow driving down the road, and we use a DC charging system to charge this bank of batteries. Well, what does that mean to you? Number 1, it's more environmentally friendly. We're not using a lot of fossil fuels. Number 2, it is dead quiet. We can use this equipment in the dead of night or early in the morning without disturbing your neighbors. Over here on this other side of the truck, we have our saddle tanks where we carry our exclusive soaps and surfactants that we're going to use to enhance this sanitation. Again, remember, we're using a CDC recommended product for sanitation, sodium hypochlorite. The blend module blends that in. And then we bring in soaps like this Green Wash. This is our product Green Wash. Green Wash is an antimicrobial soap. It has antimicrobial properties, but it's also a surfactant. So these sanitation agents get deep down into the surface, so you get a deep and lasting sanitation of those surfaces. Then next to it right here is our Rain Fresh. And our Rain Fresh is combined in so that we can leave a pleasant smell. Sodium hypochlorite doesn't smell great. Dead viruses and bacteria don't smell great. Rain Fresh smells great and creates a great environment that your patrons or your family will love to be around because it'll be pleasant smelling. And then finally, when we are cleaning, treating, and sanitizing these surfaces, it's good to put down a finishing product like Final Wash that adds a wax to the surface, brightens up the surface, those different surfaces, and makes it very inviting to the eye. They look clean, they look shiny, they look sanitized. So between the Green Wash, the Rain Fresh, and the Final Wash, in combination with the CDC recommended sodium hypochlorite, we're able to clean, treat, and sanitize your property in this current threat. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.